Yo, what's up guys? So first of all, I want to say sorry about this mess down here. Just got done filming a skit. Secondly, I want to say you gotta focus. Yeah, I forgot that in the last video. My goodness, man. Anyways, just got done filming a skit that's gonna be up for you guys this Sunday. It's gonna be nuclear. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Excited to edit that. Jeez, tripping over everything. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that shuffle tutorial. Hopefully that helps some of you guys out. You know, it's basically for beginners. So I was trying to relate that to my other videos, and I just like threw it in my top rock playlist. Apparently I have like 2 top rock tutorials already. I kind of forgot about, but yeah. So I think I already taught how to do a. Oh my God. I hope this tutorial helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, and don't. Going to the gym now. Gonna have a power session. I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm planning on working on combining more flips with b-boy power moves. If you guys have been watching these vlogs, in the past couple of videos I've been trying to do that, and in my opinion it's been getting a little bit smoother. Still really choppy though, so I'm trying to make it more fluid, you know? Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. Who's going hard today? Alright? I can't believe it. Oh, that's not good for the windows. Just got to the gym. Honestly, right now outside, it's kind of reminding me of like mid-January out. It's literally in the 30s. Actually, it's a solid 30 degrees. There's snow on the ground, and the sun's over on that angle in which it is like in January. I love how nobody's ever in this room. That's why I like it. always wanted to do that, so yeah. Alright. Look at them clouds and them lights. What a shot. On a sadder note, I think my iPod's just about fried. For those of you guys, you guys were asking me quite a few times. I've gotten the comments, why do you wear headphones that have wires? Like, what are they anyways? And what's your music setup? So this is what I've been using for the last 5 years. iPod Shuffle and some earbuds. Before all the wireless hype, this was the nicest thing ever, in my opinion, for doing, any movement, whether it be tricks, breakdancing or whatever, because it's tiny. Unfortunately, they don't make these anymore. However, they do sell them, and they're like $200 on eBay, the last time I checked. But anyways, everybody's probably like, dude, why would you even, wires, come on, man, seriously, it's wireless right now. I don't know. The wireless route would honestly be the best thing, because you wouldn't have to worry about that wire getting tangled on anything when you're moving and spinning around. However, I'm just so hippie and paranoid about all that wirelessness, you know what I mean? I know that's probably just paranoia, but I'm a hippie. Yeah, I don't know. So has anybody experienced any fogginess after using wireless headphones for a long period of time? If you have, please let me know, because I want to know these things. When the kick drum hits on some of the songs, and then I turn it down low and it goes away, but then it comes back. It's really starting to fry. And I think the problem has to do with this headphone jack, where I put the headphone into the iPod. I think, because it got crushed a little bit right here, it's just been deteriorating on the inside. I mean, this thing is I want to say 20, wow. This thing is 5 years old. This one is from 13, because in 2013 I had a little black one, and I did a back full at that park with a tree, and it shot out, and honestly, it's probably still there this day, somewhere in the ground. Yeah, maybe Black Friday, maybe we'll get a deal on an MP3 player. But that's what I've been using right there, just in case you're wondering. I've been blabbering on. Look down this road. Oh, man. Oh, did you see it? Do you guys remember that that Christmas light video where I strapped a bunch of Christmas lights to myself and ran around town? That's where it was. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. Stay tuned. Skit coming this Sunday. Hope you guys will enjoy that one. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.